Well, after a whole week, me leaving this car sitting like this, my tire got on the flap. Perfect time to try out this impact wrench because I ain't never used it on the tires before. I took this one off though. As you can see, these things like extra rusty on here, so they probably not super tight. I ain't never used this on the tires before though. This little thing's strong now. It's alright. My little Craftsman joint. I even used it on here too, lifting the car up. Well, just lifting it down. It's up high enough. Alright, so I found a Buick. I think it's a Buick LeSabre. But the thing is, this is exactly where my fuel pump is sitting. Right under this AC compressor, right under all this mess right here. So I'm finna give me some fuel pump practice. I ain't really take out much, and I think that I can get down there to it. But this bracket will have to come out of there. I didn't even take this out all the way. I just kind of moved it to the side to it though. See, it's hiding right under there. And I left that one bolt in. But I don't have no wrenches to take this bracket out with. Because once this bracket come out, then I can get straight to the fuel pump. And it's just one bolt holding it in. And I think it's another, yeah, it's another bolt that's right here that's holding it in. I'm gonna go on and wrap this up though. But that was some good work though. That was definitely some good work. 81 Bonneville. I was looking at these windows on here. The vent windows, they actually not made the same. But I was looking at the switch up here in the front for the window, and I actually think that the back windows let down on this car. I never seen a Ford or a Cutlass or a Bonneville with the actual back window let down instead of the vent window. Leaving the junkyard.